Well, good morning. It is the 19th of February, 2019. It's a Tuesday. We are again in the city of brotherly love. This is Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And we are heading to a new facility where they're going to be setting up shop for cats, rescue cats. Today's agenda is 38 fluorescent lights. Need to 38 fluorescent light individual units that each hold 4 bulbs. Need all of the lenses changed, all the covers, and all the bulbs changed in this facility. And possibly some ballasts will need to be changed as well if they are failing to work. So I'm going to roll the intro, and then we should be there in just a few minutes. And I don't know if I'll get any shots or not, but I'll do my best to get you what I can.
Make a U-turn at Bustleton Avenue, then turn right.
Smooth, rough. Sharp. Gotta be sharp. the record, they don't care about this desk. I asked, they're throwing it out. So I asked if I could use it as a cutting board prior to destroying it. Right before the line. Flush with the desk. Then place your hand where that sticker is and snap down. Rough side up.
Okay, so this has got halfway done. We've got the rest of this to do, but these two are done. All of these covers are done. Light bulbs in the corner. Those are done. These in here, the bathroom. This office, there's no lights work in this office, so we gotta figure out what's going on. We did that bathroom. And we did this first office here, or second office, I guess. All these are all new light bulbs and done. So, we're moving on. I'm doing one right now. I'm gonna cut another one. And that's gonna go right here. I'm gonna do this one, and then this one, and then we're gonna jump in this office here. Has another 4 to go. Well, I guess they all worked. That one's missing one entirely. Okay. Seven hours. These are all the spent bulbs. Well, some of them are actually good, but she wanted them changed out anyway. 7 hours. She took up an hour. All new lenses, all new light bulbs, all of them. 38 in total. She wants all these 2x4s off the wall too up here. All of them. There's even 2x4s in here on the wall. She wants all these off. The walls patched and then painted. But I think she wants them done pretty quick, and I don't know how quick I can get that done. This room doesn't work. I checked the breaker box and it doesn't go on. Maybe the switch is no good. I told her to call an electrician because this is Philadelphia. And I don't do electrical in Philadelphia. There you go. And these. And that one don't work. And this one don't work. That window's coming out next as well. All right, door's locked. And we are out of here. Tomorrow's going to be a snow day, and we are not going to work tomorrow.